Welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn how to create the bib file and the bibliography, right? Now we can collect the bib take from Google Scholar for referencing, right? You have to type Google Scholar. Now suppose I have to refer this article. Now to refer this article, any article, right, from my library. Right. Now here you can see this symbol for citation. Now I have to click it, and here different style of citation are available. Now for bib file, you have to select this bib text and just copy it and place the bib this here, right, bib file. Now to create this bib file, you have to select this new folder, right, and name this at any reference.bib or file name, some file name, and .bib extension, right. I have already created this. Now okay, in similar way you can access any bib file, right. Okay, now here is another paper. Now you have to select the related article, all 9 versions. You have to select all 9 versions, right, and here is the path for bib text. There are different options available. Now we have to select the bib text and copy it and place this in the .bib extension, right. To delete this. Now this file starts with article @article, and here it is Roy 2013 long. We can call this article in our main text by this option. This is the title, this is the author, journal, volume number, pages, year, publisher, right. In similar way, for book you have to mention book. You can edit this as per your requirement, right. Now to call this, you have to use bibliography style. Here we use plain, right. There are different styles are available, and next command is bibliography, and within this bracket we have to mention the file name, and after compiling the list is appear. Now here I have include two different current files, bib files, right. This Roy 2013 and this, but it is not reflected in our list. Now to include this, we use this command cite, right, and this, right, and if we include the second, that is Roy second one, that is Roy 2013, right, after compiling, what we get? Here the two references, right, already in the list due to as we use here, right, 1 and 6, right. Now there are different styles and you can access this from the link here, help, right. Just type the documentation and type the bibliography style. You can access different styles. That is bibliography file. This is our bibliography file. We have already discussed this, and this is the command, that is use package bib latex. This is sample.bib cite. So how to cite this? Just type \cite within second bracket. You have to mention the file name, bib file, right, and print the bibliography. In this way you can create the referencing. This is the basic uses, and there are another different ways, like here is the previous one. With LaTeX, there are different options available how to create the bibliography, right. You can access, and as per your style you can use the bib package and you can get different styles from this PDF file, and as per your requirement you can add this. Okay, now bibliography management styles. Now we have to write bibliography style. Bibliography style. Bibliography style. Style name, right? Bibliography style name. Right. Here there are different style name. Here in this project we have used the style as plain, right? This is the simple one. But in different journal there are different styles are used, right? Here the styles are like dinette, thumbnet, this plain net, right? If we use this style, the reference list are shown in this form, right? There are different styles available, and for different journals their styles are all different. That is IEEE transactions. You can search here. You can search here the bibliography style for Elsevier, bibliography style for Springer journal, and you can get the styles, and you can put here. If you put here, and after that bibliography reference, then the referencing list will be created as per your journal style, right? There are another way to create the bibliography, that is like this. here we use the style IEEE transaction, right? And the file name of .bib is refhcv. Here we use this. It is not case sensitive, that's why it is there is no worry to compile for this. Here we use small r, but here it is mentioned capital R, right? This is another style to use the bibliography. Now, right, this one. Here we have used this command, the begin the bibliography, right? And after that end this bibliography, end with end \end the bibliography, and within this we use the total path of the bibliography using /bib item, right? And this is the call function. To use the citation, we have to mention this. If we use this here, cite this World 2020 laboratory, then we have to use cite, right? World, that's one, World 2010 laboratory, right? In this way we can cite our article or journal or book, right? And it is the way of path, right? It is the way of path. It is the /bib item within second bracket the path name, and then at first we have to mention the author name or organization, whatever may be. After that we have to style this the journal name in this way, the title of the article within text italic. You can change this as per your requirement. You can bold it, you can italic it, right? Whatever, or underline it. And after that the journal name, right? Here is the journal name, then volume, then number, then page number, right? And after that the year of publication. As per your requirement, as per the style of the journal, you can change this, right? And this is the another form. You have to type it. In this case you have to type it, but in case of bib file there is no need for typing. You just copy the path, bib text path from Google Scholar, and after that you have to paste it in the .bib file, right, in here, and you just call it as by using the bibliography style function, right? Okay, thank you.